my yard today, this morning. The guineas come. So how come you will never see a guinea, or I'm sorry, I messed the whole thing up. How come you'll never see an Italian on a motorcycle? Because they go run, guinea, 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 guinea. Ha ha ha.
Zionism had originated in the 1880s after Theodor Herzl published a book espousing the virtues of a Jewish state. This caused a sensation amongst Jewish intellectuals in Germany, Austria and Russia, who shared Herzl's outrage at the escalation of anti-Jewish sentiments.
Hi guys. Can you do your pretty feather things like you did? Fluff them up, guys. Fluff them up. You got some ladies to impress. There we go. Look at you, handsome fella. Look at you. There's plenty to go around, guys. Plenty. So pretty. These two are funny. If you sit quietly and long enough, you will observe nature. Here at the masjid, how blessed are we if you'll come back out and play. Right at the top here of these trees is a hawk's nest. Alhamdulillah. Here they come, coming in. I've heard the mama and the daddy coming back and forth, bringing food to the babies. And the babies all chirping when mom and dad come near.